Hi everyone, so I've just received this Flexispot under desk drawer through the post, so I'll do a quick unboxing. I've cut this open already and I'll remove it out of the box then. So this is now out of the box. As I said, it's pretty heavy, which is only a good thing because it means, you know, quality, not thin sheet or steel. But what's in here would be a protective case and some manual of showing you how to install them, but it should be pretty straightforward. Right, there you go. There's the unit itself. It's got some very nice felt, so you can put, you know, things on top and not worry about scratching it, which is good. So what's in this box here? Right, so these are the brackets to hold them. Oh, they've even included some, you know, the screwdriver, which is nice. So it turns out this thing is a template for you to put to the underside of the table so that you can mark them and drill the holes. I nearly threw it away. So you can see what I've done is I've taped the template to the underside of the desk with sellotape right up to the edge, and then I'm just gonna start drilling with electric drills. Do some pilot holes. So I've had this installed in less than 30 minutes, as you can see. It does stick out a little bit, but that's how it is because, as you can see here, there's not much space left. What I would recommend is, like I said previously, drill pilot holes in this area because it's a bugger, especially if you can't, you know, flip the table over to install it, which will make it a lot easier. So this drawer has got felt, which is very nice, and the action is really smooth. And there are keys to lock it should you wish, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. So one good thing about this is that it acts as a dual layer. So right in front of you is that a Dell Inspiron 14, which fits comfortably here. As you can see, it is very solid. Obviously the desk is now at a higher level, so it does wobble a little bit. In addition, I can also put my Surface Pro 8 here. There are more spaces here if you wish, but you can see here. So it frees up a lot of space. And I can put more stuff in here. Hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.